Hello and welcome to my cooking channel Ashwini Tarcar's Cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. This butter chicken recipe may not be the authentic one, but then it is tried and tested and very popular in my catering business. So let's see how I have made this. We will need 250 grams of onion and 250 grams tomato and 500-gram chicken pieces. You can take with bone or boneless. I have taken boneless chicken. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic to the chicken and 1 teaspoon mustard oil for marinating. Half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon Bedgi chilli powder. This is already red, so we don't need any food color. Now mix well and marinate for 1 hour. Now slice the onion. Thick or thin, both okay, because we will just fry and grind it. Now heat 3 tablespoon oil and add the onion. Stir fry till the onion is soft and light pink. Add few cashew nuts, and when the onion turns pink, we will add tomato which are sliced. You can also add them chopped. We need to fry this for the gravy. So add salt for the tomato and mix in a bowl 2 teaspoon chilli powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon tandoori masala. This we will add later. Now this onion tomato mixture is ready. When it leaves oil, transfer to a mixer jar and let it cool before grinding it. Now add 1 tablespoon oil in the same pan and 1 teaspoon butter. Fry the chicken pieces till half cooked, because again it will cook in the gravy. Stir fry on high flame till it leaves oil. Remove the pieces. Let the oil and the butter remain in the pan. You can see in this we will add half teaspoon butter, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry on low flame. Do not let it burn. Now add the mixed spices. Keep the flame low. Just when the spices get mixed in the oil, we will add the onion tomato paste. We have made this into paste with little water. Don't add too much water. The cashew nuts should also turn into paste. You have to ensure that when grinding. Now fry this till the raw smell disappears and the gravy turns smooth. Don't fry on high flame because it will boil and your hand may get burnt. Keep stirring. Add 1 teaspoon Kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves and 1.5 teaspoon sugar. Half cup thick curds. This should not be very sour because we already have tomatoes in the gravy. And half cup milk. Now once it boils, add the chicken along with the water. If there is any water left in the chicken pieces, add more water and cook. Now for the smoky flavor, burn a charcoal on the gas flame and keep a katori in the kadai and add it to that. Now add slit green chilli to the gravy for flavor. Now once the charcoal is burnt, we will keep it in the kadai, in the steel katori, and drop little ghee or oil on the burning charcoal and trap the smoke with the lid. Let the lid remain for 10 minutes so that the smoke gets trapped in the gravy. Now the butter chicken is ready to serve. You can serve it with butter naan. That is the best combo that we can have. And happy cooking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my recipes with somebody who loves cooking. See you in the next video.